Hello guys, I'm Shweta, grade 7 in SNS Academy. I'm going to tell about AI connected with water pollution. Problem statement: urbanization, deforestation, industrial effluents, social and religious practices, use of detergent and fertilizers, agriculture runoffs, use of insecticides and pesticides. Define. Water pollution can be defined as the contamination of water bodies. Water pollution is caused when water bodies such as rivers, lakes, ocean, groundwater, and aquifers get contaminated with industrial and agriculture effluents. When water gets polluted, it adversely affects all life forms that directly or indirectly depend on the source. The effect of water contamination can be felt for years to come. Ideate. Rather than releasing sewage waste into water bodies, it is better to treat them before discharge. The secondary treatment of water has been carried out, then this can be reused in sanitary system and agriculture fields. Clean water AI run continuously in real time, and the analysis accomplished with a digital microscope connected to a laptop computer running the Ubuntu operating system. The application also marks the contaminated sites on a map. For regions in the world in which access to clean water is enduring problems, simple test system like this could dramatically help prevent diseases and save thousands of lives. Imagine software can also allow facilities operators to more effective cleaning incoming wastewater and manage the system to prevent over. Prototype. I found a quiz called Water Pollution Quiz. Thank you.